Welcome to this detailed guide on changing the default homepage on WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn each step clearly and concisely as you navigate through the WordPress dashboard and customize your website's homepage. Let us begin by ensuring that you are on the main page of WordPress. Open your web browser and head over to WordPress, where you will begin by finding the homepage of the platform. After the site loads, move your cursor to the top right corner where you will see the login option. Clicking on login will allow you to access your WordPress account. This is the gateway to all your website settings and customizations, so ensure that you are on the correct WordPress page before proceeding. Once you click login, a new prompt will appear asking you to select your preferred login method. In this case, you will see an option that says continue with Google. Click this option and then choose the appropriate Google account that you want to use for your WordPress activities. This method provides a seamless way for you to sign into your WordPress account quickly and securely by leveraging your existing Google credentials. After successfully signing in, you will need to navigate to your settings. You can access the settings menu by clicking on the link provided in the dashboard. This section is key because it contains all the configurations that determine exactly how your website behaves. The settings area is where you will control everything from the appearance of your site to the details of how your homepage is displayed. Within the settings, locate the reading section by clicking on the corresponding link. Reading settings are crucial because they allow you to decide what visitors will see when they land on your website. By choosing the reading section, you are accessing options that control the content displayed on your front page, ensuring that you are not left with an outdated or default blog view. Scroll down to the area where it says Your Homepage Displays. In this section, you will find all the options for managing what your homepage looks like. It is here that you will decide whether you want a dynamic blog feed or a static page as your homepage. To change your default homepage, click on the option labeled a static page. By choosing a static page, you are making a deliberate decision to feature a specific page that represents your website's primary content rather than showing a list of blog posts. After selecting the static page option, you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose which page will serve as your homepage. In this menu, simply select the desired page that you want your visitors to see first when they arrive at your website. Once you have made your selection, continue by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you will find the Save Changes button. Click on Save Changes to lock in your new setting and make sure that the default homepage reflects your choice. That concludes this tutorial on changing your default homepage on WordPress. Following these clear and easy steps ensures that your website will present the content you have chosen to highlight, providing your visitors with an engaging first impression. Enjoy the enhanced look and functionality of your WordPress site with your newly set default homepage.